tires back there a little bit, coming off a crest.
Oh, okay. But nothing too bad. Yeah.
No. The suspension feels good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's pretty smooth, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's bumpy.
Yeah, and I can adjust them. I don't know if I've adjusted them all. Can I stop recording now or just... Yeah. Okay. Well, Warren, will you keep recording for a minute?
Yep. I got it. This is so nice.
I'll be going to this parking lot.
Okay. You should pop the hood and just show everyone your car. The hood can barely pop, Micah. Oh, that's true.
Just a light. Oh yeah, 190.
Okay.